Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking a TTS engine and a voice that matches your brand. Choose a neural voice for natural cadence. Once selected, write short, clear sentences. Aim for 10 to 20 seconds per clip so viewers stay engaged. Next, set your output to MP3 or WAV at 16-bit or 24-bit and align with a 16:9 timing map for Reels. Make sure to test one line immediately to confirm pronunciation and pacing before batch exporting. Now focus on the middle work. Tweak prosody so the voice sounds human, reduce speed slightly, nudge pitch, and insert 0. 3 to 0. 6-second pauses for natural breaths. Once done, layer background music and apply ducking at around -6 to -12 dB so speech stays clear. Then sync the voice to video cut points by mapping the waveform to beats and trimming 0, 1 to 0. 3 seconds for tight transitions. Make small iterative adjustments and preview in real time. Finish by exporting your reel at the right bitrate, 128 to 192 kbps for MP3 or a lossless WAV for masters, and test on phone speakers to confirm clarity. Make sure mono versus stereo choices preserve intelligibility and that the noise floor is low. If something goes wrong, re-render the offending line with adjusted prosody or add commas, hyphens, or phonetic spellings to fix pronunciation issues. Finally, render the full video, check sync, and upload once satisfied with pacing and levels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.